So the next one that we did is the job tracker dashboard. So this is the one that uses your job bags. So I've got the job tracker here. So on this one, you can see any overdue jobs. You can see jobs due today, due this week, and then due this month. So you'll easily be able to see what you've got coming up. And then this will give you this list down here. So you've got your job number, customer number, and then the job status, so where it's at right now. And then you've got your target date, how many days until it's due or overdue. And then you've got your order flow here. So this uses a traffic light system. So if it's red, it means it's not been done yet. And then if it's gray, it's like it's not got to that stage. And then if it's green, it means it has been done. So as you can see, I've got quite a lot of sales orders that I need to send out. So I'll work on that after this. Along the left-hand side, you can drill it down by customer. So if you want to see all the jobs for a particular customer, you can do that. You can change it by the job owner. So if you want to give this dashboard to somebody so that they can see their jobs, you can go in and change that job owner to them so that they can see what they've got coming up. You can do it by, you can limit it by status. And then you can also see the overdue jobs, anything due today, anything due this week, and then anything due this month. So matching what we've got along the top there.